So Barack, who do you think is going to win this election?
Honestly, Bob, I think I will win. I mean, come on. I killed Osama bin Laden. Of course the people will choose me. I am such a great person.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. First off, you might have killed Osama bin Laden. But have you seen how bad the economy in this country is because of you? We have to pay almost $4 for gas.
And yes, Barack, you have ruined our country. People are so poor now that they can't even afford bread. You need to do something about the economy before you think you'll win this.
I know I will win. I will do much good for this country. I will make food cheap. I will make gas cheap. I will help the people. These poor humans are homeless because of you, Obama.
This is not true.
It's not true? Question mark, what are you talking about not true? I guarantee if I ask every poor person in this country, WHO made them poor, they would all say you.
Damn. You guys are ticked.
Okay, well, just to let every viewer watching this video. This is a joke video. Not a hate video. It's simply making fun of politics. I think Obama is a great president. Thanks you.